This year for 4th of July we're gonna have a contest. The 3 contenders are these fireworks, this kite, and this DJI drone. Make a guess in the comments which one you think will fly the highest. To help me set this up, my brother's going to be flying the kite from here. I'll be piloting the drone. And my nephew will be launching the fireworks. Whoa, okay, that was close. So far it looks like the kite, the drone, and the fireworks are almost at the same height, but let's take the drone a little higher. Run. I get the feeling they're just trying to blow up my kite now.
Can you blow up the kite with the fireworks? Oh, so close.
That was close.
That was super close.
We could do it again.
We're under some heavy fire from the nephew, so we better take the kite and the drone higher to avoid being blown up by the fireworks. Bruh, move the kite higher. Run. No, yeah, they're definitely trying to blow up my kite now. Whoa, did you see how close that was? Any closer and my kite would have gone down in a blaze of glory. Okay, Mr. Kite, it's time for you and me to go mano a mano to see who can fly the highest. We know the fireworks can't beat us, so let's settle this once and for all. Run. Is the drone really the king of the sky? Now we're getting up there. According to the FAA, the maximum flight height for this size drone is around 400 feet, so I'm going to take it to the maximum height and see if the kite can pass me. Whoa, the kite's going higher. According to FAA rules, kites have a similar maximum flight height of around 500 feet, which we would never dream of exceeding. But today the kite is the champion of the skies. Look at her soar. If you guessed that the kite would fly the highest, then congratulations, you won.
It's been defeated.
The kite took the victory. The kite was up like about 150 meters at least.
Now let's inspect the kite to see if it took any damage from the fireworks. Oh, look at this, it's got a hole burnt through it. Even with battle scars, it soared to victory. Now that's what I call the American spirit. So the next day I took my kite for a victory flight, but I wanted to see if it's possible to fly a kite and a drone at the same time, and film the kite while I'm flying. This is my alma mater, the beautiful University of Illinois. Lots of famous people have graduated from here, but I don't think any of them have ever flown a kite and a drone at the same time. The goal is to not hit the kite string with the drone. That would end badly. This kite is actually very special to me. I'm glad we didn't blow it up with the fireworks. I bought this kite from an old lady on the street while I was traveling in China. I think I paid like 30 yuan for that, which is only like $4. But this kite is way better than the kites you can buy in America. It's balanced super well and it's made to fly several thousand feet up in the air. But flying around these trees has me a little bit nervous. My nephew has challenged his uncles to a race.
So we got the e-bike versus the dirt bike. Which one is better? Ready, set, go! This is the 3,000 watt, 72 volt e-bike versus, what is that, 150? 125? 125. Versus the 125 FCRF. Who is faster, electric or gas? 3, 2, 1, go!
This race starts out neck and neck, but the 72 volt e-bike gaps him at the high end. That thing does 0 to 30 in about 3 seconds. It has a top speed of around 63 miles per hour. 72 volt e-bike easily takes the win.
Okay. E-bike versus Rancher 4-wheeler. Who will win?
The ATV got off to a good start, but here comes the e-bike catching up. It's a close finish, but I think the ATV won. Chalk another one up for the nephew. Wait, I'm hearing that there's a lame excuse from the uncle why he lost. Oh, he's saying he got a bug in his eye. That's why you always wear a helmet or safety glasses. We're gonna have to swap uncles and run this one back again. And the 72 volt e-bike redeems itself and gets the final win.